Guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and today's video I'll be showing you how to enable do not track in Google Beta Mobile. So someone may be able to track and see everything you have been searching on your Chrome. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable do not track in Google Beta Mobile. So first thing you have to do is open up your Chrome browser on your mobile, and you see the three dots above your screen. Click on it and you scroll down to settings. You click on settings and click on privacy and security. Then you can see send a do not track request. So once you toggle on that, you can see it says some website may respond to this request by showing you ads that aren't based on the websites you visited. So you can just click on that, right? And you can see, so once you toggle that on, you are not going to be getting a lot of ads from sites that are not related to what you actually searched for. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.